Alright, we are going to be installing the CB shelf. We just need a screwdriver. Undo these screws. Put it in the cup holder there. Alright. Repeat that same process on the other side. Assemble two-piece bracket. Let's get it. Alright, so we have to take these two pieces, interlock them, and screw it in. Why are you staring at me? All right. Everything's pre-drilled, so that makes it easy. That's gonna go up here. This is gonna go up on the other side. There we go, little CB mount, shelf with the visors. Ugly. Not my truck. Your truck?
Not my truck.
Good enough for your truck though.
Oh yeah.